Yes, sir. You already know that your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. You know, I don't like to waste nobody's time. So today we're gonna be touching bases on NAK, ticker symbol NAK. That's Northern Dynasty. I talked about this. I talked about this in a previous video. I told y'all that I was purchasing it. I wasn't going all in on it. Wasn't going to be a big purchase. But as things escalated on, as I watched the chart, I added to the position. I had called this one out for y'all, and some of you guys probably in it. If you are, congratulations on your gains. And for the ones that aren't in it, it ain't too late. You just you wanna always do what I showed y'all. You wanna wait after we go over it and stuff. You always wanna wait on that pullback and enter your small position if you wanna continue to ride this one out with us. So let's look into it, y'all. For the ones that don't know, Northern Dynasty, it's the world-class pebble project in Alaska, is in federal permitting and being advanced toward development by Northern Dynasty. The Pebble Project is the most significant undeveloped copper and gold resource in the world. Okay, so that's huge, y'all. Remember I was telling y'all about that Pebble Project in the last video. A lot of investors was anticipating on it happening, but it didn't happen for them. A Northern Dynasty put it on the back burner for a while, and now they just came out with news about it. So that's getting the attention back roaring in the company. And what people like to do is price in rumors and stuff. We like to sell the news, price in and buy the rumors. So let's go ahead and touch bases on everything around this company. So yesterday we opened up at 90 cents. We hit a high of 98 cents. The low was 78 cents. The 52K week high was $2.49. The 52K week low was 30 cents. Now we're gonna go see what this news about, what the article's about with this Pebble Project. So let's read it, y'all. Shares of Northern Dynasty Minerals pop on permit appeal. February the 10th, 2021, 11:59 a.m. What happened? Shares of prospective gold mining company, Northern Dynasty Minerals, ticker symbol NAK, jumped as high as 25% in early morning trading and are up 9.7% as of 11:15 a.m. today. The stock popped after the company issued a statement that is appealing the federal permitting decision regarding its Pebble Project mine. So basically, y'all, the stock, it popped because the company, the same Pebble Project I was telling y'all about, they made an appeal to the federal government. They can make as many appeals as many times as they want. Just because they made an appeal, that don't mean everything is happening for them and it all going through. We're going to get farther into that. But they can make an appeal as many times as they want to. They can make an appeal 1,000 times, basically bringing it to the government attention. Like, hey, we trying to get our Pebble Project out here. Like, help back us, help, fund us and stuff. So let's look into it, y'all. So what? Back in November, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers refused a federal permit related to the Pebble Project. The refusal was based on the company's inability to address the concerns raised in the initial environmental impact statement of the project. In a press release today, though, the company announced that it is appealing the decision on several grounds. The bulk of the company's argument is that the ruling was arbitrary and inconsistent with Clean Water Act standards. So the company has an argument. They got an argument to fight with. So that's huge. That the ruling was arbitrary and inconsistent with the Clean Water Act standards. So it's a rule set in place for something that can go in their favor. Now what? The appeal was expected as companies are allowed to appeal federal permitting decisions. But it's critical to keep in mind that this is only an appeal, in that the current position from the federal government is that the mining project won't continue. The company could appeal the decision 1,000 times, and until that changes, we're still in the same place. Should the decision get overturned, It is one major hurdle cleared for the project, but by no means the last one. This is a company with no other assets and no means to develop the project without significant financing or partnership. Then there will be the several years of construction. So we're still looking at a long time before Northern Dynasty is generating revenue. And that still hinges on this appeal being successful. So basically, y'all, even if they come through with this Pebble project, that'd just be one hurdle that they have to jump to be a successful company. That'll just be one hurdle. They don't have no other assets from the ones from besides their company. And they ain't got no means of a large amount of financing. And they don't have no merger with anybody. They don't got no partnership. They ain't got no extra little helping hand from a partner. So that would only be one hurdle if they jump that. But the market like to price in action on just rumors like this alone. So, you feel me? Let's look and see what the analysts, let's go and see what they rating this at, what the forecast is. Because you already know what I tell y'all. They be hating in public, but buying in private. So let's go see. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Northern Dynasty Minerals Ltd. have a median target of $2.28 per share, with a high estimate of $3.75 per share and a low estimate of 80 cents. The median estimate represents a 142% increase from the last price of 94 cents. So that's a awakener. The analysts targeting this at a high of $3.75 and a median. We put this in the middle. The median, not high, not low. Put it in the middle at $2.28. And the last price was 94 cents, which now we know is trading higher this morning at like $1.14, $1.13. But this is already at a median increase of 142%. So that's what they mouth say. Now let's see what they pockets doing. Boom. So increased positions, 37 holders. Decreased positions, 43. Held positions, 24. We got a total institutional shares of 104. So increase in held positions is way up over decreased positions. Then we got new positions, 16. Sold out positions, 20. So let's look into it, y'all. Let's go check out the chart. We're going to check out the chart to see where this thing headed to, see a little prediction on it, see what could possibly go, see what our breakout points are. And then, before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and throw on the screen my position. You know, I like to show y'all my position, where I got in at, and how we maneuvering, how we going about this play. So I throw that on the screen right here. You know, we got a position size of a total cost of $2,800. We in at 95 cents per share. On the last price when this was taken was $1.12. We up almost $500. I told y'all to get in up on this. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here showing y'all these money plays, these hot money picks that I be on. And you already know we just trying to eat together. But everybody do your own research and own due diligence. So now, let's take a look at this chart, y'all. NAK. We opened up at 89 cents a share in the pre-market. Then we dipped that open at 86, a small dip. Then we got back up to that 93. And then we had a dip buying opportunity. We dipped 13 cents at the open to 78 cents a share. For 93 to 78. Then we had to regain ourselves. We got to get back. We're working back to get to that 93 cents. That'll be our breakout point for a weekend if this thing got a leg. So we get to 93. Then we dip down to 89 cents. And we get back to 93, 96. We broke it. And now, right here and close at 93 cents. And then after hours, it jumped to $1.06 a share. Had a pullback in after hours to like $1.03. We see who got new support at $1. Looked like a week ago was trading at 61 cents. Last year we got a nice upward pattern, nice upward trend, nice staircase, holding his gains, spiking up. A month ago we was trading at 39 cents. 3 months ago. Now let's look on the chart and see where this thing is headed after it break 113. Boom, we look back at September the 1st. It was at $1.14, 114 on the 17th. When it break 114, 1 cent away, it going to 119 straight there. Once it break 119, we going straight up to $1.54, $1.54, $1.60 range. Once we break that, we can get to 175. That'll be our next breakthrough point to get to $2 plus. Go back on the 5-year chart and see how high we could potentially go. We break that, we can get to $2 plus. So that's the chart update on this, y'all. And in my case, I'm pretty bullish on this. And when I say I'm bullish, that don't mean, oh, let me go take all my funds and put it on it. Hey, said it's bullish. Nah, you want to always be prepared. You want to get in on the dip. You want to always, put in something that you're willing to lose. And, be smart, be meticulous. I want y'all to win, but you got to put yourself in a position to. And, get in on that dip if you want to get in on this play and ride this thing on out to the promised land. Because this could be a nice potential play to reach $2 plus. It's a nice double up from here. This play can potentially double from here. So that's the stock update, stock prediction on NAKD, Northern Dynasty. If you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, you found the right place. Consider joining the family. You already know. This your boy B Hayes. God bless. We out.